Okay, tonight we are going to dive into the introduction of Pixel Lab. So as we are all aware, we are going to use Pixel Lab for this tutorial. Okay, so I'm opening the app. Okay, so I was already doing some design here, so I'm going to cancel it. So that's it. All right. Sorry. So let's move on. Now, whenever you open Pixel Lab for the first time, there is going to be an interface like this. So I might not begin my design if I'm about having a design. So I have to delete this thing. So delete it. So looking at the options and tools here, one would say then what can Fizzle App at all do? But I tell you, Fizzle App contains a lot of things. It's kind of complex. You can use it to do a lot of designs, logos, manipulations. Like you get there, you don't worry. So let's start with the test. The test is for making tests, as you are aware, asking tests, adding tests to designs, values, and the rest. So that's that. So once you click on the test, you see this bin there. If you click on the bin, it means you're going to delete everything there. That's it. So now I can type something. Okay. Now, you see, since the test is highlighted, there is no new test there. Once there is edit, it means I can therefore edit the test I have already inserted. If I want to delete this test, I can use this. I've deleted it now, but I do need a test so that I can continue in the design. So let's do something like Apple. Now we already know of the delete. Now copy. The copy. We want to make a duplicate of the original design you're making. So copy. So you see here we're having a duplicate of the first Apple we have. So we can now delete it. Now to front means you want to bring the highlighted text or the highlighted material to the front of everything before all your designs, and to the back same as the front. To the back means it's going to be at the back of all the designs. Okay, now the position you are going to just, you see, originally when you just open the position, it's going to be something like first time. So but you can increase it, and then the position, as you can see, is just using moving test everything designs. Okay, all right, let's move on. In the relative position, once you use the relative position, this one, it helps reduce some stress. Like if I click the left one, it is going to be at the left side, but this one, the alignment is stable. I'm not going to give my alignment. It's going to be an automatic alignment. If I press this one to same, if I press this and this, it's going to be at the middle. So if you want a text or a design to be in the middle, at the center of everything, so you have to click this two. Okay, that's all. And the size, we all know how size means. So size is used in increasing the size. That is the padding. The padding is this. So the left padding means you are making space at the left side of your text. Okay, and padding is normally used in making. It's normally used for text, not, let's say, images, just for text. So right padding means you're also coming to make space at your right. So okay, that's it. Let's move on. And the color. So the color, we have normal color. We also have gradients. The gradients consists of different colors being mixed together. So this one, if I want to make it gradient, have these, have these, and have these, have these. The gradient consists of different colors. We have one color here. If I want to make it one color, okay. And you can see this thing here. Maybe I want to make only the A red. So A is red. You see, that's all. And for this one, we will come to this one when we start with our normal classes. When we start with the other procedures, we will come to this side. Okay. Now, and now with the color, the texture. Talking about the texture. Before, let me increase the size a little bit. Let me put this thing at the center, and the color. Let me make the color like this, and then the texture. Clicking, if you open the texture and clicking here, it means whatever thing you're going to select, the texture of that thing is going to be the texture of the highlighted material you are using. Okay, so let's say we have a gold in this here, so I want to take the texture from this gold material. So okay, so give me some time. Okay, good. Now you see I'm having this texture there. Okay, alright, so I'm having this texture here. This is the texture. So if you don't like the texture, you can also delete it. Okay, so let's hold up first and then we continue the next one.